Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Genux Solar Lead Pad 5-watt solar lamp for outdoor use. This Lead Pad series solar lamp is here to make our life easier. With its beautiful brick design and a super long life, it will beautify our home and take away the worries of constantly failing lightning. And the best part, it is environmentally friendly. With 400 lumens of light and a 3-watt lamp, this outdoor lighting will shine brighter than ever before. So don't wait any longer and get your Brick Series solar lamp now, babe. Because we have here two light modes. Sensor mode, this is the default mode. With a battery capacity above 30%, when moving 100% brightness. Without movement, 5% brightness. With battery capacity below 30%, when moving 100 brightness. Without moving, off. That's power saving mode. That's cool. Oh yeah. Then continuous light mode. We press and hold the button for 3 seconds on the back side of the lamp, and the lamp remains permanently on while it is dark outside. After switching on again, the lamp switches back to the sensor mode. And of course, it looks really cool because it's easy peasy to assemble this. This is a multifunctional solar LED fluid light, 5-watt, 500 lumen. It is possible to get this on the wall by using 2 screws. The job's done. We have solar powered, light on and off automatically. Battery is replaceable, good thing. It is multifunctional, 0 electricity cost, 2 working modes, cordless and a long lighting time. We have here a multifunctional solar light emitted diode floodlight with power of 5 watt and 500 lumen. The LEDs are SMD 2835, 30 piece of them. Lithium battery with 18650, which you can buy and replace this if it needs in a couple of years. 3.7 volt, 3000 milliampere, and it's replaceable. We have solar panel 2.3 WP monocrystalline silicon. The lighting panel 135 degrees adjustable, and the bracket is 360 degrees adjustable. We have an IPD-GREE, IP65 waterproof level for outdoor use. The beam angle is 90 degrees. The detection angle of the disc and the distance 120 degrees and 6 meters. The charging time 6 up to 7 hours and a strong sunshine to a full charge. The working time constant lighting mode 6 hours plus, sensor mode 5 nights plus. The dimensions are 231.9 to 149.62 to 33.68 millimeter. The installation height should be 4 meters. The lifespan is 35,000 hours of lifespan. And we can easy peasy adjust it on and off. We have an on and off selection working mode button on the back side of the panel. So it's easy. We press the button, the lamp will automatically turn on to sensor mode. We keep pressing the button for 3 seconds to shining on time. Lamp turns to constant lighting mode. And of course, when the battery capacity above 30%, it will automatically turns on and it dims. If it's not so strong, the battery life, then of course it will be go strong if there is a detection, a movement detection, and after this it will go down to 0. And the brand itself, that means Genux, is a young company that has a vision of a clean and sustainable environment. They began this journey in 2020 with the goal of making daily electricity consumption more sustainable. The team is working hard to make the use of solar energy available and feasible for us. They are not just a trading company that sells the same product as everyone else. The founders of the companies are engineers with a technical background and many years of experience in the industry. This means that the products are developed by them with the highest standards to achieve the best possibility quality. And of course, because of them it's not only a job for them, but they follow a passion and fulfill the dream of making clean energy available for everyone out there. This all brings us the good old Genux solar brand to us with this Genux Lead Pad 5-watt solar lamp for outdoor use. You see, it's easy to assemble, it's easy to attach, and it's easy to use. We have a 5-in-1 multifunction device, wall mounted, stand portable, wall hanging, and pole mount. We can choose and make it possible to bring a lot of joy and a lower electricity bill because it is powered by the sun. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tun tun!